discussion about aging this morning during a breakfast and summit in Manhattan. The summit was organized by the group Roar Forward and was emceed by our very own Bill Ritter. Bill sat down with Lorraine Cortez Vasquez, the commissioner of New York City's recently founded Department for the Aging. They had a wide-ranging conversation about the modern obstacles to aging well in New York City, from the cost of living to issues dividing older and younger generations.
On a personal note, Lorraine is also one of the biggest advocates for Puerto Ricans and the force behind the Puerto Rican Day Parade. So whenever she sits down with us and talks, we listen.
We listen.
She's got a lot to
Great
say.
individual, for sure.
No question about it.
All right. So, Brittany, what's going on out there with the weather? I know some rain is coming, but not enough, apparently.
Yeah, it's going to make a dent in the drought, but it's not drought-busting rainfall. But we take what we can get at this point right now. It's still sunny and dry. That all changes tomorrow. And some clouds are pushing in. Temperatures are in the 50s. It's 55 in Central Park, and that's about 8 degrees cooler compared to this time yesterday. That cooling trend continues later in the week. We will eventually fall down to highs in the mid to upper 40s. The forecast for 58 above the average of 53, even though we are cooler compared to yesterday's high of 66. Sunset at 4:34, and so far for the month, rainfall totals in Central Park running close to 1.9 inches below normal. We have close to a 9-inch rainfall deficit for the fall season. As a result, reservoirs for New York that supply the water to New York City are running close to 19% below average levels. Temperatures in the 50s overall. It's 57 in White Plains, Poughkeepsie 55 for you, and 57 degrees in Belmar. Winds are light out of the north and northwest, up to 6 to 13 miles per hour. Even though winds are lighter, we have elevated fire danger throughout this afternoon and this evening. The smoke near the Lakewood fire, that could drift east towards Brick this afternoon. And with the change in wind direction tonight, some of that could move north towards Monmouth County, Middlesex County, even as far north as Staten Island late this evening through early tomorrow morning. It's still quiet on satellite and radar, just watching a few clouds streaming in, but we'll have more cloud cover tomorrow and then much needed rain. That's all because of this larger storm system. We have this warm front close, and then we'll get this area of low pressure and a cold front that all brings in rain and snow for portions of the tri-state. This is how the timing plays out. This afternoon, clear, and then tonight, clouds increase. There's a small chance for a sprinkle overnight, but things stay mainly dry. You're not going to really need your umbrella throughout the day tomorrow, but you'll notice more clouds around and temperatures holding steady in the mid to upper 50s. Even early Wednesday evening, mainly dry and mostly cloudy. Most of this rain comes in after 10 to 11 p.m. Wednesday, and we'll have the bulk of the rain coming down Thursday morning. Some of this could impact your Thursday morning commute with potential downpours. Late Thursday into early Friday, we drag down some colder air, and snow is possible far north and west in the city, in the Catskills and the Poconos. Rainfall totals, once all is said and done through Saturday, could range between 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. Today, temperatures in the upper 50s. Tonight, 49 with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, 59, mainly dry, and then we'll get wet weather Wednesday into early Thursday. Scattered showers are possible Friday. Really a shock to the system on Friday. We only get up to 44. It's going to be breezy and wet, more like a winter-like feel. The upper 40s on Saturday and 50 by Sunday.
I know we need it, but it won't be fun going through it. Brittany, thank you so much.
Coming up, a new Hulu series, Interior Chinatown. That's the name of it. It breaks stereotypes. We're going to speak to the actors behind it.
And tomorrow, the best country music stars gather for the CMAs. After the break, we break down some of the big nominees, plus this.